Hey friends, Sheree here. Welcome to the channel, Cooking at Home with Sheree. I'm here today to share a quick grocery haul. Let's get into it. So I popped by Home Goods for a spice refresh. Let's see what I brought home. So though I was there mostly for a spice refresh, I did pick up some pasta. You can always find some really great Italian import pastas there. So I got this fusilli. I like to do pasta bakes. We like pasta dishes in the winter. I don't eat a ton of pasta. But if I do cook with pasta, I try to make sure it's a really high quality, preferably directly from Italy, pasta. This one here is from Naples. So yeah, this one is, what is this called? Mafalda? No, you can read that. And then here I got, this is a tri-colored blend. And just, I think that'll be pretty in a pasta dish also with all these colors. And so I got this. This one is from Milano. I'm buying from Milano. Beautiful. And then mainly for me, I got some gluten-free pastas. So this one, I got a chickpea pasta, I got a red lentil pasta, and I got a green peas pasta. And these are also all, I think this is an Italian brand also from Italy. So I'm gonna look forward to trying those. I've had chickpea pasta and red lentils pasta before, but not this brand. So we'll see how this is. Then I found these jars of cherry tomato sauce. I love making cherry tomato sauce with the cherry tomatoes that I grow at home. So I'm excited to try these. I got just a regular with basil, and then this one has capers and olives in it. That'll be good with like a chicken or fish dish. So I'm gonna give that a try. I'm gonna try that one actually pretty soon, because if I like them, I'm definitely gonna go back and get more of those. I can some pasta sauce, but most of the tomatoes that I grow are for fresh eating. I still have some canned pasta sauce from garden grown tomatoes that I'll be sharing in the upcoming video when I do some cooking with y'all. But the cherry tomato sauce that I usually make fresh or from frozen cherry tomatoes. So yeah, anyway, I'm excited to try that. Maybe I'll add cherry tomato sauce on my canning list for this year. Then I grabbed this one jar of pizza sauce so we can whip up a little pizza. Looks like I had 2 jars of pasta sauce. And then I got some Greek pepperoncini. This is a pepper that I actually grow in my garden, Italian pepperoncini. And then this is a jar of marinated garlic. These are just great to have on hand to add to sauces. I like to have stuff like this that have longer expiration dates, so they can actually go into the pantry and be there for like emergency meals as well. And so yeah, gonna give those a try. I have not tried either of these brands before, so it'll be interesting to see. This one here says that it's a garlic with green pesto. So yeah, I'm excited to try that. Then I found this one jar of artichoke pesto. I love artichoke on my salads, but this would be great just to put on a pasta dish, maybe with some chicken, like a chicken artichoke. We'll see. I'm gonna play around with the recipe using that. Then these looked interesting to try: a black truffle mustard and a black truffle mayonnaise. I don't use a lot of mayonnaise nor mustard, and especially something like this. This is a specialty. These small jars are perfect because the big jars tend to go to waste. They stay in the fridge too long. So again, this is something that we'll try maybe sooner than later. Let's check the expiration date. I'll look at the expiration date and I'll figure out how soon I want to try this to see if it's really good, if it's something that I want to go back to get more of. Honestly, I don't make a lot of sandwiches in the winter, more when it's warm outside, so we'll see. And then here's the last thing before we get into the spices is a fig jam. I actually still have a lot of fig jam that I canned at home. But it is one of our favorite jams. And this just looked delicious. This is a French one, and it doesn't expire to 2028, so it has a long shelf life. So I went on and grabbed that, though again, this is something that I will crack open sooner than later and try, because if it's delicious, then I will go back and get some more jars of this. Last year, the fig jam that I have left is from 2 seasons ago. Last year, we just didn't get a hold of a lot of really great figs. We had enough to freeze and freeze dry, which you'll see in an upcoming video. I did record that in the fall when I did that. I'll show you some uses, but I did not make a lot more fig jam this year, because by the time I went back to get more figs, they were kind of past their ripeness and not that great. So I would like to stock up on more fig jam, and especially again with this long expiration date, this is just a great item to have even in my deeper pantry. Okay, so now for the spices. I did find these jars. These are pretty good sized jars, 6.35 ounce jars. This brand is called the Gourmet Collection, and I got the Fisherman's Seafood Spectacular, and then the Smoked Paprika, Garlic, Chili, and Chive Spice Blend. I know they will get put to use. So yeah, I'm excited to try both of those. Then next I grabbed these 2 adobo seasonings. They both look great. Both have really clean ingredients, which again is the main thing I'm looking for when I'm picking up these spices. They're not filled with like anti-caking compounds and dextrose, and not high in sugar and maltodextrose and all those things. Really clean spice blends. So I'm excited to try both of those. Here's the final spice blends. I got this onion and herb blend, and then I got this Chinese 5-spice blend. These are both from Mulberry House. And then the final 4 are for my warming winter curries. I got the Korma curry blend. I got the Garam Masala curry blend, the Tiki curry blend, and the Madras curry blend. These are all from Silk Route Spices. And I have not tried either of these brands before either. I've gotten other curry blends there, but they had a lot of this particular brand in. They even had some single spice, like, you know, just plain turmeric, just plain ginger, just plain garlic powder, things like that. But I'm well stocked on those things. But I did need to refresh my curries. And so I am excited about trying these. I hope they are delicious. I really like the jars. These will be great jars to reuse once I use up all the spices. Comes with a little spoon, a little cork top. And so, yeah, these will be just cute little jars to use. And these, you know, it's interesting. It's a different company, but they have the exact same packaging. I don't know if they're affiliated or what. And they have, they let you know when it was manufactured, end of 2024, October 2024, it was manufactured. And the expiration date is October 2026. So these will be long gone before then. So I'm looking forward to trying all of this out, and I'll be letting you all know in a future video my impressions of these goodies that I picked up at HomeGoods. So yeah, especially if you're looking for international things, import things, I find that it's a great place to shop. I will say we got some sweets from there also, but they were already taken out of the bag and are being consumed from my family. And they were a hit. So when I go back next week, I'm going to get more of those, and then I'll share those in a future haul video. All right. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please remember to like and subscribe.
It's 9 in the city, and I'm on my way back home. waking up to a brand new day in between your sheets, breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street.